Welcome to Quiz Finance. Let's get started. What is the purpose of a 529 plan in financial planning? How does dollar cost averaging work in investment strategies? What is the role of a custodial account in saving for a child's future? What is a reverse mortgage and how does it function for retirees? What is the difference between a traditional and a high-yield savings account? How can a tax-advantaged health savings account be used effectively? What is the significance of the Dow Jones Industrial Average in financial markets? How does a fixed annuity differ from a variable annuity? What is a required minimum distribution for retirement accounts, and when does it apply? What is the purpose of a living trust in estate planning? How does the Federal Reserve's monetary policy impact interest rates? What is the purpose of a power of attorney in financial matters? What are Treasury bonds, and how are they different from Treasury bills and Treasury notes? How does compounding affect long-term investments? What is the concept of asset liquidity, and why is it essential in personal finance? How do exchange rates influence international investments and currency trading? What is the difference between a traditional 403(b) plan and a 457(b) plan? How does the three-legged stool metaphor relate to retirement income sources? What is the role of a financial advisor in retirement planning? How can you protect your credit score from potential damage? What is the purpose of a home equity line of credit? How do you calculate the net present value of an investment? What are the advantages and disadvantages of leasing a car versus buying one? How do municipal bonds differ from corporate bonds in terms of taxation? What is the significance of the S&P 500 index in the stock market? How does a 401k plan with employer matching contributions benefit employees? What are required reserves in banking, and how do they impact lending? How can you minimize the impact of inflation on your savings and investments? What is the purpose of a certificate of deposit ladder in saving for financial goals? How do stock options work as part of an employee compensation package? What is a capital gain and how is it taxed in the United States? What is a qualified dividend and how is it taxed differently from ordinary dividends? How does a fixed income investment differ from an equity investment? What is the purpose of a trust fund and how does it operate in estate planning? How does peer-to-peer lending work as an alternative investment strategy? What is the difference between a traditional and a simplified employee pension IRA? What is the purpose of a personal financial statement and what information does it include? How can you evaluate the risk tolerance of an investment portfolio? What is the impact of the Federal Open Market Committee decisions on the economy? How does the time value of money concept affect financial decisions? Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.